Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, we is doing a grown and sexy no baby hairs look. Y'all, this is so sleek, so beautiful. You got the dark roots with all different types of blonde highlights through the hair. The perfect density. This density is I think like 150. It feels so good. It's full from the root to the tips. We got full palm space. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Y'all, please do not mind the background. I was trying to like shake the camera. I cannot wait until we are in a different space and a different background, and it really gives like beauty, because for right now, is my parsley too? Because for right now, it's just looking crazy. But anyways, y'all, this is the final look. We got a no baby hair look, y'all, and I'm not gonna lie, I really like this. I was gonna do some baby hairs, which I'm still not opposed to. I'm just not doing it. Oh, this age. I'm so all right, anyways, this is the final look, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about this, especially with the no baby hairs. I feel like certain looks definitely give chill on the baby hairs, and I don't know, I was gonna go back in and add some baby hairs, but I might just leave it alone. I'm not gonna lie, I just might leave it alone. Anyways, if y'all like this video, make sure you comment, make sure you click that like button, comment down below, let me know your thoughts, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from moi, and I will see you in my next video. And shout out to Asteria here for sending me this beautiful highlight wig. This is so fire to me, especially like the color combo, y'all. We ate. So I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.